Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be going through my empties bin again. I have it sitting right here. I actually have a little bit less in here this month, so this will be a real quick video hopefully. I think the reason is I just went through like a lot of skincare last month, so I just opened a bunch of new skincare. Most of it being full size, a few things that are travel size, but it's just gonna take me a while to go through that. So I have a little less, but anyway, let's go ahead and jump on in. Oh, real quick, I did wanna say I have worn this in a couple videos. I'm batch filming a little bit today, so if you've already seen this outfit and makeup look, sorry about that. Just sometimes it's easier to batch film. Anyway, here's my empties bin. Let's go ahead and jump in. Let's start with skincare because that's usually what I like to do. First thing I used up is from Pixi. It's their Glow Glycolic Boost Sheet Mask. This is the first one of these that I've tried, I think, or maybe it's the second. I can't remember. It felt really nice. I liked the fit of the mask itself. It is more of a traditional paper sheet mask that's soaked in serum. So it's pretty easy to apply and yeah, I liked it. It's definitely nice and I'm going to be continuing to use what I have left in my collection. By the way, I am doing my May mask challenge this month. I just posted, or actually just filmed, but you will see it first. I just filmed my intro to that challenge, so if you're interested in joining me, I'll link it above here, but I am gonna definitely have a ton of sheet masks in my next empties video since I'm doing my May mask challenge, and maybe I'll get through some full-size masks too. That would be pretty awesome. Next up, another sheet mask that I used up. This one is from Skin Laundry. It's their Wrinkle Release facial sheet mask. I feel like I got this in a BoxyCharm or something, but yeah, this was really nice. I would like to have more of these. It just, I don't know, there was something about it. It was, again, easy to apply, fit really well. Sometimes with sheet masks, they fall off and slide off your face. I didn't have that problem at all with these. And this one is one that you're meant to put on for 15 to 20 minutes. I usually leave my sheet masks on a little longer because I usually get busy and then forget about it. But yeah, I liked it. I thought it was really nice. It's something I would definitely consider repurchasing in the future. All right, and then I had an eye mask that I went through. This one is from Erno Laszlo. It's called the Multitask Eye Serum Mask. I like these. I think they're nice. They're good for an under eye shield kind of mask. If you like those ones that just, go underneath the eye. I think they're nice. They're relaxing. They're definitely good for plumping underneath the eye if you have fine lines and wrinkles. I like to apply those right before I do my makeup for a special event or something to help really plump up the under eye. I also had an eye mask that I used up from number 7. These are probably my favorite ones. They're more of a gel than a paper serum type mask, so I feel like they just stay on better, and I feel like for some reason they're just they feel colder, which helps even more with the depuffing. I don't know, I just really prefer the texture of these, I think is what it is, but definitely have gone through a few boxes of these, so I will for sure be repurchasing these in the future as well. I just think they're really good eye masks, so highly recommend those. And then I did also use up these. This is from Skin Iceland. This is a targeted treatment, so it comes in a box. I actually have it next to me. It comes in a pack like this, and you get, I think, 4. Yeah, you get 4 of each set. Sorry, it's very reflective. I'm sitting in front of a window, but you do get 4 sets for your forehead and 4 sets for your smile line. And you can wear them at the same time or you can wear them separately, but they're a very targeted treatment. They're gonna help with plumping any fine lines and wrinkles in those areas. So I love these. I love these. So I've been kind of savoring them and not wanting to go through them too quickly because I don't want to run out. But again, this is something I love to use right before an event or something to help plump those areas, especially I get the smile lines pretty bad and you don't want your foundation settling in. So I highly recommend these. I think they're really nice. All right, I did also use up a few of my RMS Beauty makeup removing wipes. I try not to use these when I'm not traveling, but there's some times when I'm just so tired and it's so convenient that I grab them. But I do try to save these just for travel purposes because I don't, you know, the individual wrappers and the individual wipes, I don't want to use those too much. It's not great for the environment, but it is a must-have when you travel for sure. So anyway, I did use 3 of these. I really love these. I'm definitely going to be packing these in my hospital bag. If you guys want to see what's in my hospital bag, let me know, because I'm going to be packing that over the next week or so. All right, I did also use up my Shiseido cottons. You guys probably would have seen in my recent haul video that I replaced these. This is the only facial cottons I will use. So when I run out, I always go and buy another one right away. Oh, it's got gunk on it. You'll see why in a second. The coffee scrub was sitting on top of it. Anyway, I do really enjoy these. Definitely will repurchase them. Definitely recommend them. They are so good. VIB sale's going on right now, so if you've been wanting to try those, definitely take advantage of the sale. Alrighty, and then this is what's leaking on everything. This is from the brand Frank Body. It's their original coffee scrub. I thought I would go through this in like 2 or 3 uses. So I bought this like in the beauty to go section, you know, when you're going up to the checkout at Ulta. So I thought this would go really, really quickly, but I actually have had this in my shower for like 4 months. I don't use it daily, but I do use it like once a week or maybe sometimes once every couple weeks. And it just lasted forever. Like there was way more in here than I thought there would be. I probably would not buy this again, and I'll tell you why. Even though I really like the results you get from a coffee scrub, they're just so messy, and it just makes a huge mess out of your shower, and then you have to like rinse it all down, and I just feel like it's such a waste of time and a waste of water. So I don't know, I'll stick to my other scrubs that are much cleaner, and these just, they get everywhere. So yeah, I'm glad I finally finished it off though. All right, next up, I got through a ton of skincare minis. I've been trying to work on going through some of my travel size skincare because I had way too many, and they're really easy to go through once you like focus in on one. So I did finish off this Boscia mask. This is the charcoal pore putty mask. It looks like it's full, but it's not. It's totally empty. This actually, I really like it. It's really good if you have acne prone skin or oily skin. It is a charcoal mask, so it can be drying. If you have dry skin, you probably would not like it. I would usually use this just in my T-zone because traditionally I have more combination skin. It's been really dry with this pregnancy, but traditionally I'm combo, so I would use it as a T-zone treatment. It's really nice if you have oily skin. I do recommend that. I did also go through this travel size of the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. I like this. I think it's nice, but I still do prefer the one from Sephora collection because it's cheaper and I think a little bit more effective. I definitely felt like I needed more of this product on my cotton to achieve the same effect as with a little bit less of the other stuff. Does that make sense? Like it just took more product to get it to work correctly. So I think it's all right, but I wouldn't repurchase. All right, I did also use up this little travel size of an eye gel. Actually, it's an eye gel. It's from Belief. It's called the Moisturizing Eye Balm. So with this product, I thought this was okay. I prefer a more creamy eye treatment than a gel type. So it really just depends on your preferences. I don't know, I just find the creamy ones do a better job of plumping my under eye wrinkles and fine lines, and at my age I need a little bit more than what a gel provides. If you don't have a lot of under eye wrinkles, an eye gel might work for you. It's really just preference. So this is not something I would buy in a full size, but I was happy to use it up. All right, this one from Ulla Henriksen is called the Find Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser. Again, this is great for combination skin or to oily skin, and if you're acne prone. I waited too long to try this. Back when my skin was combo, I probably would have really loved it, but now that my skin is more dry, not so much. I thought it was okay though. It wasn't super drying. Like I could get through this without overly drying my skin, where some other products that are meant for combo to oily skin, I can't use at all. Like it wasn't super drying, but definitely I could see how someone with more oily skin would like it better. It smells amazing. It does have a really nice invigorating scent to it. Almost kind of eucalyptus scent, I think. But anyway, it's nice. I recommend it if you have the right skin type for it, I guess. All right, and then the last skincare mini I went through is from Tarte. It's called the Brighter Days. This is like an illuminating moisturizer. I did not like this so much. It's very glowy, like pretty intensely glowy, and not super hydrating. So it's not one that I would repurchase Okay, and then the final skincare item that I used up this month is from Estee Lauder. This is called the Resilience Lift Firming Sculpting Face and Neck Cream. So this is something I was using at night and using it on both my my face and neck. Now you could use this during the day. It actually does have an SPF of 15, so I think it is meant to be more of a day cream, but it was just a little too thick and heavy for me to wear as a daytime moisturizer. Even with my skin being more dry, I don't like anything too heavy in the daytime because otherwise I find that my makeup doesn't go on very well. I want something that absorbs into my skin really well before I go in with my primer and foundation. So I did use this at night instead, and I felt like it was actually a nice night cream. So I liked it. I definitely used it up. I don't think I'll purchase it again because of the price. I think there's better products out there, but still, it was nice enough to use up. All right, this is probably the shortest Empties video I've ever done, but the last thing that I have to share with you guys is actually a makeup item. And again, it is a deluxe sample size. This is from the brand Stila. It is the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I've gone through quite a few of these. It is just a felt tip liner. These little mini sizes, I got this as a point perk. They actually dry out super fast, but I mean, it's only 100 points, so I still will probably redeem if I see it as a 100-point perk again. But their full-size one does last a lot longer. It's just that you don't get very much in these point perks. But this is a really good liquid liner. The only thing is it's $22, and I feel like there's better drugstore options. So I don't feel like you need to spend your money on this one. I actually prefer the Benefit Roller Lash if you're looking for like a Sephora brand eyeliner. The Roller Lash one is really, really nice from Benefit. Or if you're looking to save some money and you want a drugstore option, the Physicians Formula Eye Booster I think is way better than this one. And I mean, Physicians Formula is kind of higher price for drugstore, so I want to say it's still like $14, but that's still a big savings from this $22 one. All right, you guys, those are all the products I had to share with you this month for the month of April. I hope you guys enjoyed this Empties video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.